Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Square loan amount for my business sales volume, a question I wrestle with myself. Getting a Square loan is unique because it's not a traditional application process. They use the data they already have from your sales to determine both your eligibility and your maximum loan offer. I'm talking about your actual processing volume, how often you take payments, and your overall account history. In my experience, the amount Square offers is a direct reflection of what their system believes you can comfortably repay. Repayment isn't a fixed monthly bill. It's a fixed percentage of your daily sales through Square. So, a slow sales day means a small repayment, and a busy sales day means a bigger one. This is the key feature that ties the loan amount to your sales volume. So, how do you find the best amount? First, look at the maximum offer Square gives you in your dashboard. This is your limit. Square is saying, based on your sales history, this is the most we are confident you can repay within the maximum 18-month term. Second, don't just take the max because it's there. You need to calculate your actual need. What is the money for? Inventory, new equipment, marketing? Create a detailed budget. If you only need $5,000 for a new espresso machine, don't take $10,000. Borrowing more than you need means paying a larger fixed fee. And that's just wasted money. Third, look at the repayment percentage. When you slide the bar on the offer screen to different amounts, Square will show you how the fixed fee and the repayment percentage of your daily sales change. A lower loan amount often corresponds to a slightly lower repayment percentage. You need to be honest with yourself. Can your cash flow comfortably handle that percentage being deducted every day? Even if it's only 10% or 15%, that money is gone before it hits your bank account. My personal advice is to choose the lowest amount that meets your actual budgeted need, and then select the offer with the most favorable repayment percentage that you can live with. Use your Square sales data to look at your slow months and ensure that daily deduction won't choke your cash flow during those leaner times. Square has a minimum repayment requirement every 60 days, so you can't always pay nothing, but the daily flexible percentage is what makes it work with your sales volume. It's about being strategic, not just accepting the biggest number they put in front of you. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.